welcome to another episode of Flavors. मैं हूँ Charmaine and this weekend as well we have a delicious देसी menu for you. As I told you सारे महीने इस महीने हम लोग देसी खाना बना रहे हैं. But before I start today मैं सबसे पहले आपको एक चीज़ बता दूँ. We've started a new Flavors page. All those that are on the Flavors group because आप लोग को इतनी मुश्किल हो रही थी to find the group and get the recipes. We created another page that's easier to find. So please join the new Flavors page. All those of you that are on the group, switch onto the page right now. We will be uploading all recipes etc. on the page very soon. So please आप लोग उसको join कर लीजिए. You simply have to like it. This time you don't really have to go on joining a group. So there you go. It makes life a lot easier. A lot of people were messaging me that उनको group नहीं मिल रहा था, तो we thought why not? See, we do so much for you guys. Anyways, today we have 3 really delicious recipes. ये basic घर का खाना है. I think a lot of people make this at home, and if you don't, it's probably the simplest way to make देसी खाना. Chickpeas जो कि आपको पता है छोले, काबुली चना भी हम उसको कहते हैं, आराम से आपको मिल जाता है dried form में मार्केट में. Normally this what I'm making today as a chickpea curry, as in जो काबुली चने की करी होती है, is basically a Sindhi style. This is an Indian Sindhi style, not the Pakistani way of making it. India में they use आमचूर पाउडर. आमचूर पाउडर बेसिकली अब मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती कि होता क्या है, क्योंकि आज का सवाल भी यही है. आज का सवाल ये है दैट व्हाट इज़ आमचूर पाउडर. आमचूर क्या होता है, इसको आप मुझे इंग्लिश में बता दें. एक्सप्लेन टू मी व्हाट इट इज़ इट अ स्पाइस, इज़ इट is it an herb, what is it? अपना जवाब SMS के ज़रिए या कॉल करके दे सकते हैं. प्लीज़ फ्लेवर्स के पेज पे जवाब मत दीजिए. Your answers don't get counted and our page gets flooded. Alright, so basically today firstly we're making a chickpea curry. ये बहुत ही आसान करी है. अब मैं इसके अंदर यूज़ कर रही हूँ 6 nice plump tomatoes. Alright, now look at these. I've basically got some really nice tomatoes here. But essentially you will de-seed the tomatoes. जब आप टमाटर इस्तेमाल कर रहे होते हैं, अमूमन मैंने देखा है कि लोग उसको वैसे ही पीस देते हैं. आप प्लीज़ उसके बीज ज़रूर हटाया करें बिफोर यू यूज़ इट. यू वांट टू de-seed it and if possible skin it. I don't really mind the skin. कई लोगों को टेक्सचर करी में पसंद नहीं होता, तो बेसिकली इफ़ यू वांट अ स्मूथ करी यू वांट टू रिमूव द स्किन. वरना तो आप एक और काम कर सकते हैं. I'll tell you a little trick. What you can also do is you can actually blend it, grind कर लें, प्यूरी बना लें, and then आप उसको छान लें. By seeding it, you will get rid of any skin, etc. Normally, look, there's always देसी खाना सब समझने बहुत आसान है. आपको pre-mixes मिल जाते हैं बाज़ार में आराम से. People like to use those. Remember, देसी खाना has its own essence. The history of our country is based on the East India Company, which was mainly about spice. So, I mean, if you're not going to respect Asian food and desi food, it makes no sense. सब बनाते हैं घर पे, मसाला बहुत ज़्यादा भून लेते हैं, लाल मिर्ची हल्दी ऐसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं that it's got no value, it's just being used as powder. Lal mirchi has a flavor. It releases flavor at a certain point. Haldi is antiseptic. You know, if you basically consume haldi doodh, roz subah aap haldi doodh pijiye, especially if you're a sugar patient, it helps reduce sugar and it helps create antibodies in your system. It's very, very good for you. Highly, like, see, that's what I don't understand कि लोग क्यों सिर्फ हल्दी को एक पीले रंग का पाउडर समझते हैं जिससे अच्छा रंग आता है. That's not the case. Haldi is actually very, very good for you. Very good. It's got remedial qualities. So जब आप खाने में डालते हैं, याद रखें for it to release its properties, it takes a certain amount of time. आपको पकाना पड़ता है for a certain amount of time for it to release. अगर आपने कच्ची हल्दी ऊपर डाल दी, that's not good for you. Remember that. कच्चे मसाले are also not good for you. अब आमचूर पाउडर on the other hand, आप पकाने के बाद शामिल करेंगे. मतलब you're not going to भूनो it, you're not going to cook it, you're not going to do anything. You're going to add it right at the end. जैसे कि मैं आपको लेमन जूस के बारे में भी बताती हूँ. Using a paring knife, this is how you de-seed your tomatoes. You're basically going to remove the center seed. I think I should grab a bowl to like put all the seeds in. There we go. Oops. Okay, bowl time it is. Let's grab a bowl from here. And you want to just keep removing whatever you don't need into the bowl. अच्छा 6 टमाटर, उसके अलावा आप डालेंगे इसके अंदर 2 प्याज, ठीक है. About 2 medium onions will be used in this. So you're using प्याज, टमाटर, हरी मिर्च, ऑल बेसिक चीज़ें जो कि आपके घर में मौजूद है. अब मैं यहाँ जो काबुली चने इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ ये कैंड हैं, ठीक है, these are inexpensive also. I know it's slightly cheaper to buy the dried ones and boil them overnight, but अगर आप ये करी एकदम से बनाना चाह रहे हैं तो then it's always better कि you use canned, because technically in order for chickpeas to tenderize you have to basically soak them overnight and then boil them. And I recommend when you're boiling, add a tea bag. It helps take out flavor. At the same time, it helps tenderize them faster. Try it yourself. Just a little potli of tea leaves while you're boiling the chickpeas. It really helps bring out a lovely flavor. एक और चीज़, here's what I do. जब मैं छोले उबालती हूँ, मैं उसके पानी के साथ ही I add about 4 cloves, उसके साथ एक तेज़ पत्ता, about 5 to 6 ब्लैक पेपरकॉर्न्स, बेसिकली साबुत काली मिर्ची, जो कि यहाँ नहीं है, ये पिसी हुई काली मिर्ची, बट साबुत काली मिर्ची, यू नो द ब्लैक पेपरकॉर्न्स दैट यू गेट, आई ऐड दोज, अ नाइस जनरस डैश ऑफ सॉल्ट एंड देन यू बॉयल इट. तो वो जो गरम मसाले का जायका है, दैट इन्फ्यूजेज विद द चिकपीज एंड इट एक्चुअली ब्रिंग्स आउट अ मच नाइसर फ्लेवर. ट्राई दिस एट होम, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग curry. ठीक है, I've got 3 tomatoes here. I need to cut 3 more, but first I'll stick this into the blender. So give them a rough chop and you want to put these into the blender. Yeah, again I told you, if you want to remove the skin, you can remove the skin. If you don't want to remove the skin, you don't have to remove the skin. You can also sieve it. जो skin होती है, that's mainly to make the curry uniform or not uniform. So if you want a totally smooth curry, जिसके अंदर आपको बिल्कुल भी कोई texture ना हो, then you want to add skinless tomatoes to this. Also another tip, let me tell you, like of recent, आपने notice किया होगा, we started getting tomatoes at 100 rupees a kg. If you want to, you can replace the fresh tomatoes in this recipe for canned tomato puree, जो कि बहुत ही inexpensively आपको market में मिल जाती है. You can always do that. You can replace either or, no problem. But remember, you do not want to use tomato paste. Tomato paste is highly strong in flavor. बहुत ही consolidated version होता है. उसके अंदर added sugar होता है, added vinegar होता है. So it affects the flavor and you only want to use a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons in a recipe, not more than that. When you're using tomato puree, it's a completely different thing. Also, you know, they say that the seeds of the tomato are actually not good for health. I don't know, this is a debatable topic, so I don't want to go into it too much, but it's true, they do cause stones, and it's very important that you be careful what you're eating. Alright, I'm chopping up these tomatoes. अभी कान में आवाज़ आ चुकी है कि ब्रेक का टाइम है. आप लोग जाएं झटपट ब्रेक पे. Remember today's question is आमचूर को आप, what is आमचूर actually, not English में क्या कहते हो, whatever. It's basically आमचूर क्या होता है? Is it a spice like red chili powder, हल्दी? What is it? Is it a herb? आप अपना जवाब SMS के जरिए या कॉल के जरिए हमें भेज सकते हैं. No answers on the flavors page. Alright, you want a quick झटपट break, we'll just be back.
चिकपी करी अज्जा, चने 250 ग्राम, प्याज 2, ग्राउंड लहसुन 1 चाय का चमचा, ग्राउंड अदरक 1 चाय का चमचा, टमाटर 6, जीरा आधा चाय का चमचा, कड़ी पत्ते 4, नमक हस्बे जायका, तेल 1/2 कप, हल्दी 1 चाय का चमचा, लाल मिर्च पाउडर आधा चाय का चमचा, गरम मसाला पाउडर आधा चाय का चमचा, धनिया पाउडर 1 चाय का चमचा, काली मिर्च पाउडर आधा चाय का चमचा, खुश्क आम का पाउडर 3/4 चाय का चमचा. चिकपी करी अज्जा, चने 250 ग्राम, प्याज 2, ग्राउंड लहसुन 1 चाय का चमचा, ग्राउंड अदरक 1 चाय का चमचा, टमाटर 6, जीरा आधा चाय का चमचा, कड़ी पत्ते 4, नमक हस्बे जायका, तेल 1/2 कप, हल्दी 1 चाय का चमचा, लाल मिर्च पाउडर आधा चाय का चमचा, गरम मसाला पाउडर आधा चाय का चमचा, धनिया पाउडर 1 चाय का चमचा, काली मिर्च पाउडर आधा चाय का चमचा, खुश्क आम का पाउडर 3/4 चाय का चमचा.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Flavors and we're making delicious desi food. Break पे जाने से पहले I told you we started making our chickpea curry. 6 टमाटर basically de-seed करके I have now pureed them. We went on the break, so obviously I had 3 minutes not to do anything. So I made the puree. There you go. Just put it into the blender, blend it through. Again, if you don't want the skin, आप basically इसको छान लें. Very easy way of doing it. Now I have 2 options. I actually have garlic paste and ginger paste, but मुझे लहसुन का ताज़ा flavor बहुत पसंद है. If you like garlic the way I do, then I recommend that you use fresh cloves of garlic because you're basically going to stick it into the blender anyways. तो ये जो है ये प्याज के साथ बिल्कुल blend हो जाएगा. So you're adding about 3 cloves of fresh garlic if you're using fresh. If you're adding ground garlic, तो फिर आप basically इसके अंदर इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं 1 teaspoon. That's ginger Ginger paste, again, अगर आप fresh ginger का root इस्तेमाल करें, you're going to be using a 1-inch piece that you're going to slice up and stick into the blender. इसके अंदर 2 प्याज हैं. These are 2 medium onions. I'm going to add a teaspoon of ginger paste. और याद रखें, जब भी आप घर पे पेस्ट बना के रखें, it's very good if you actually add a little bit of oil. Oil is basically used in pickles as well because ख़राब नहीं होता. It's a way of keeping things for a longer period of time, like how you would salt meat in the olden days and keep salted meat. The same way it's used as a preservative. Oil is actually a preservative. So hence that's why when you use it in salad dressings, you use it in relishes, तो वो ज़्यादा time रहती हैं. Let's just blitz this. वाटर एज आई कैन बिकॉज याद रखिए जितना ज़्यादा पानी आप ऐड करते हैं उतना ज़्यादा ही आपको उसको सुखाना पड़ता है. तो बी वेरी केयरफुल. एक्चुअली नो, I was about to do something which you should not do, is stick a steel spoon inside a blender ever. Use a spatula, and today I'm not baking, so my spatula is actually free. Oh, by the way, कल मैं आपके लिए एक बड़े मज़े की रेसिपी बना रही हूँ. It's fried bananas and I'm using ilchi kela. So it's actually really delicious, like deep fried bananas with some nice caster sugar on top. You stay on, I'm getting some more water. Alright, so basically the aim is that you want an absolutely uniform paste. आपको pieces of onion नहीं चाहिए. The curry should be absolutely smooth. As I said, there's certain things about desi food when you're cooking that are very important, and the reason we think it's so easy to make desi food is because we don't respect those little pointers. अब सबसे पहले for example इस particular जो चिकटी करी मैं बना रही हूँ उसके अंदर मैं करी पत्ते का इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ. Personally मुझे करी पत्ता बहुत पसंद है and it actually grows in my house. I have a tree, so it's very simple for me and I love the flavor that it brings. It's a very important component of Indian food, especially bhajis. Bhajis के अंदर बहुत इस्तेमाल होता है. तरकारियाँ जो बनती हैं उसके अंदर बहुत इस्तेमाल होता है. Okay, so we've got our pureed onion in there. अब सबसे पहले आपने तेल गरम करना है. अच्छा, आज इसके साथ हम बना रहे हैं क्यूकम्बर रायता. बहुत ही मज़े का रिफ़्रेशिंग रायता है. इसके अंदर पुदीना इस्तेमाल होता है. उसके अलावा क्यूकम्बर एज इन खीरा इस्तेमाल होता है and yogurt, obviously a pinch of sugar as well to give it some sweetness. Alright, very minimal oil. I always tell you this, खाना पकाने के लिए oil is used as a medium. Oil is not the main component. Please understand that. And olive oil is not used for cooking, especially not bhajis, unless and until you are using olive oil जो कि एक combination होता है. मतलब it's with canola oil, it's combined with other oils. Otherwise, on its own, extra virgin olive oil burns at 100 degrees Celsius. I'm adding about 6 to 7 curry leaves. The smaller curry leaves, actually, believe it or not, उनमें fragrance ज़्यादा होता है. उसके अलावा we're going to add some cumin to this as well. We're going to add some cumin seeds. We've got jeera racha. I personally love jeera. About half a teaspoon of jeera. उसके साथ ही आप इसके अंदर just cook it, right? So you want to fry